Hello everyone. Question is, a medical company is customizing a foundation model FM for diagnostic purposes. The company needs the model to be transparent and explainable to meet regulatory requirements. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A, configure the security and compliance by using Amazon Inspector. Option B, generate simple metrics, reports, and examples by using Amazon SageMaker Clarify. Option C, encrypt and secure training data by using Amazon Messi. Option D, gather more data, use Amazon Recognition to add custom labels to the data. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a company is building a solution to generate images for protective eyewear. The solution must have high accuracy and must minimize the risk of incorrect annotations. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A, human in the loop validation by using Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth Plus. Option B, data augmentation by using an Amazon Bedrock knowledge base. Option C, image recognition by using Amazon Recognition. Option D, data summarization by using Amazon QuickSight. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a security company is using Amazon Bedrock to run foundation models FMs. The company wants to ensure that only authorized users invoke the models. The company needs to identify any unauthorized access attempts to set appropriate AWS identity and access management IAM policies and rules for future iterations of the FMs. Which AWS service should the company use to identify unauthorized users that are trying to access Amazon Bedrock? Option A, AWS Audit Manager. Option B, AWS Cloud Trail. Option C, Amazon Fraud Detector. Option D, AWS Trusted Advisor. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a company manually reviews all submitted resumes in PDF format. As the company grows, the company expects the volume of resumes to exceed the company's review capacity. The company needs an automated system to convert the PDF resumes into plain text format for additional processing. Which AWS service meets this requirement? Option A, Amazon Textract. Option B, Amazon Personalize. Option C, Amazon Lex. Option D, Amazon Transcribe. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a company wants to use large language model LLMs with Amazon Bedrock to develop a chat interface for the company's product manuals. The manuals are stored as PDF files. Which solution meets these requirements most cost effectively? Option A, use prompt engineering to add one PDF file as context to the user prompt when the prompt is submitted to Amazon Bedrock. Option B, use prompt engineering to add all the PDF files as context to the user prompt when the prompt is submitted to Amazon Bedrock. Option C, use all the PDF documents to fine-tune a model with Amazon Bedrock. Use the fine-tuned model to process user prompts. Option D, upload PDF documents to an Amazon Bedrock knowledge base. Use the knowledge base to provide context when users submit prompts through Amazon Bedrock. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which term describes the numerical representations of real-world objects and concepts that AI and natural language processing (NLP) models use to improve understanding of textual information? Option A, embeddings. Option B, tokens. Option C, models. Option D, binaries. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, a company is building an application that needs to generate synthetic data that is based on existing data. Which type of model can the company use to meet this requirement? Option A, Generative Adversarial Network (GAN). Option B, XGBoost. Option C, Residual Neutral Network. Option D, WaveNet. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a company wants to use generative AI to increase developer productivity and software development. The company wants to use Amazon Q Developer. What can Amazon Q Developer do to help the company meet these requirements? Option A, create software snippets, reference tracking, and open source license tracking. Option B, run an application without provisioning or managing servers. Option C, enable voice commands for coding and providing natural language search. Option D, convert audio files to text documents by using ML models. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company wants to create an application by using Amazon Bedrock. The company has a limited budget and prefers flexibility without long-term commitment. Which Amazon Bedrock pricing model meets these requirements? Option A, on demand. Option B, model customization. Option C, provisioned throughput. Option D, spot instance. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a digital devices company wants to predict customer demand for memory hardware. The company does not have coding experience or knowledge of ML algorithms and needs to develop a data-driven predictive model. The company needs to perform analysis on internal data and external data. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A, store the data in Amazon S3. Create ML models and demand forecast predictions by using Amazon SageMaker built-in algorithms that use the data from Amazon S3. Option B, import the data into Amazon SageMaker Data Wrangler. Create ML models and demand forecast predictions by using SageMaker built-in algorithms. Option C, import the data into Amazon SageMaker Data Wrangler. Build ML models and demand forecast prediction by using an Amazon personalized trending now recipe. Option D, import the data into Amazon SageMaker Canvas. Build ML models and demand forecast predictions by selecting the values in the data from SageMaker Canvas. Correct answer is option D. Question is, an AI practitioner trained a custom model on Amazon Bedrock by using a training dataset that contains confidential data. The AI practitioner wants to ensure that the custom model does not generate inference responses based on confidential data. How should the AI practitioner prevent responses based on confidential data? Option A. Delete the custom model. Remove the confidential data from the training dataset. Retrain the custom model. Option B. Mask the confidential data in the inference responses by using dynamic data masking. Option C. Encrypt the confidential data in the inference responses by using Amazon SageMaker. Option D. Encrypt the confidential data in the custom model by using AWS Key Management Service AWS KMS. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, which feature of Amazon Open Search Service gives companies the ability to build vector database applications? Option A. Integration with Amazon S3 for object storage. Option B. Support for geospatial indexing and queries. Option C. Scalable index management and nearest neighbor search capability. Option D. Ability to perform real-time analysis on streaming data. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company wants to display the total sales for its top selling products across various retail locations in the past 12 months. Which AWS solution should the company use to automate the generation of graphs? Option A. Amazon Q in Amazon EC2. Option B. Amazon Q Developer. Option C. Amazon Q in Amazon QuickSight. Option D. Amazon Q in AWS Chatbot. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company wants to build an interactive application for children that generates new stories based on classic stories. The company wants to use Amazon Bedrock and needs to ensure that the results and topics are appropriate for children. Which AWS service for feature will meet these requirements? Option A. Amazon Recognition. Option B. Amazon Bedrock Playgrounds. Option C. Guardrails for Amazon Bedrock. Option D. Agents for Amazon Bedrock. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a company has developed an ML model for image classification. The company wants to deploy the model to production so that a web application can use the model. The company needs to implement a solution to host the model and serve predictions without managing any of the underlying infrastructure. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A. Use Amazon SageMaker serverless inference to deploy the model. Option B. Use Amazon CloudFront to deploy the model. Option C. Use Amazon API Gateway to host the model and serve predictions. Option D. Use AWS Batch to host the model and serve predictions. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a company has petabytes of unlabeled customer data to use for an advertisement campaign. The company wants to classify its customers into tiers to advertise and promote the company's products. Which methodology should the company use to meet these requirements? Option A. Supervised learning. Option B. Unsupervised learning. Option C. Reinforcement learning. Option D. Reinforcement learning from human feedback RLHF. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a company makes forecast each quarter to decide how to optimize operations to meet expected demand. The company uses ML models to make these forecasts. An AI practitioner is writing a report about the trained ML models to provide transparency and explainability to company stakeholders. What should the AI practitioner include in the report to meet the transparency and explainability requirements? Option A, code for model training. Option B, partial dependence plots PDPs. Option C, sample data for training. Option D, model convergence tables. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which option is a use case for generative AI models? Option A, improving network security by using intrusion detection systems. Option B, creating photorealistic images from text descriptions for digital marketing. Option C, enhancing database performance by using optimized indexing. Option D, analyzing financial data to forecast stock market trends. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, an AI practitioner is using a large language model LLM to create content for marketing campaigns. The generated content sounds plausible for and factual but is incorrect. Which problem is the LLM having? Option A, data leakage. Option B, hallucination. Option C, overfitting. Option D, underfitting. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a loan company is building a generative AI-based solution to offer new applicants discounts based on specific business criteria. The company wants to build and use an AI model responsibly to minimize bias that could negatively affect some customers. Which actions should the company take to meet these requirements? Select two options. Option A, detect imbalances or disparities in the data. Option B, ensure that the model runs frequently. Option C, evaluate the model's behavior so that the company can provide transparency to stakeholders. Option D, use the recall-oriented understudy for guessing evaluation. Rogue technique to ensure that the model is 100% accurate. Option E, ensure that the model's inference time is within the accepted limits. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is, what are tokens in the context of generative AI models? Option A, tokens are the basic units of input and output that a generative AI model operates on, representing words, subwords, or other linguistic units. Option B, tokens are the mathematical representations of words or concepts used in generative AI models. Option C, tokens are the pre-trained weights of a generative AI model that are fine-tuned for specific tasks. Option D, tokens are the specific prompts or intrusions given to a generative AI models to generate output. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, an AI practitioner is using an Amazon Bedrock based model to summarize session chats from the customer service department. The AI practitioner wants to store invocation logs to monitor model input and output data. Which strategy should the AI practitioner use? Option A. Configure AWS CloudTrail as the logs destination for the model. Option B. Enable invocation logging in Amazon Bedrock. Option C. Configure AWS Audit Manager as the logs destination for the model. Option D. Configure model invocation logging in Amazon Event Bridge. Correct answer is option B. Question is the company needs to build its own large language model LLM based on only the company's private data. The company is concerned about the environmental effect of the training process. Which Amazon EC2 instance type has the least environmental effect when training LLMs? Option A. Amazon EC2 C series. Option B. Amazon EC2 G series. Option C. Amazon EC2P series. Option D. Amazon EC2TRN series. Correct answer is option D. Question is a financial institution is using Amazon Bedrock to develop an AI application. The application is hosted in a VPC. To meet regulatory compliance standards, the VPC is not allowed access to any internet traffic. Which AWS service or feature will meet these requirements? Option A. AWS Private Link. Option B. Amazon Messi. Option C. Amazon CloudFront. Option D. Internet Gateway. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is a company built a deep learning model for object detection and deployed the model to production. Which AI process occurs when the model analyzes a new image to identify objects? Option A. Training. Option B. Inference. Option C. Model deployment. Option D. Bias correction. Correct answer is option B. Question is a company is using Amazon SageMaker Studio notebooks to build and train ML models. The company stores the data in an Amazon S3 bucket. The company needs to manage the flow of data from Amazon S3 to SageMaker Studio notebooks. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A. Use Amazon Inspector to monitor SageMaker Studio. Option B. Use Amazon Messi to monitor SageMaker Studio. Option C. Configure SageMaker to use a VPC with an S3 endpoint. Option D. Configure SageMaker to use S3 Glacier Deep Archive. Correct answer is option C. Question is a company is using domain-specific models. The company wants to avoid creating new models from the beginning. The company instead wants to adopt pre-trained models to create models for new related tasks. Which ML strategy meets this requirement? Option A. Increase the number of epochs. Option B. Use transfer learning. Option C. Decrease the number of epochs. Option D. Use unsupervised learning. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a company wants to use AI to protect its application from threats. The AI solution needs to check if an IP address is from a suspicious source. Which solution meets these requirements? Option A. Build a speech recognition system. Option B. Create a natural language processing NLP named Entity Recognition System. Option C. Develop an anomaly detection system. Option D. Create a fraud forecasting system. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company wants to use a large language model LLM to develop a conversational agent. The company needs to prevent the LLM from being manipulated with common prompt engineering techniques to perform undesirable actions or expose sensitive information. Which action will reduce these risks? Option A. Create a prompt template that teaches the LLM to detect attack patterns. Option B. Increase the temperature parameter on invocation requests to the LLM. Option C. Avoid using LLMs that are not listed in Amazon SageMaker. Option D. Decrease the number of input tokens on invocations of the LLM. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a company is developing a new model to predict the prices of specific items. The model performed well on training dataset. When the company deployed the model to production, the model's performance decreased significantly. What should the company do to mitigate this problem? Option A. Reduce the volume of data that is used in training. Option B. Add hyperparameters to the model. Option C. Increase the volumes of data that is used in training. Option D. Increase the model training time. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company wants to create a chatbot by using a foundation model FM on Amazon Bedrock. The FM needs to access encrypted data that is stored in an Amazon S3 bucket. The data is encrypted with Amazon S3 managed keys SSE S3. The FM encounters a failure when attempting to access the S3 bucket data. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A. Ensure that the role that Amazon Bedrock assumes has permission to decrypt data with the correct encryption key. Option B. Set the access permissions for the S3 buckets to allow public access to enable access over the Internet. Option C. Use prompt engineering techniques to tell the model to look for information in Amazon S3. Option D. Ensure that the S3 data does not contain sensitive information. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, a company wants to use a large language model LLM on Amazon Bedrock for sentiment analysis. The company needs the LLM to produce more consistent responses to the same input prompt. Which adjustment to an inference parameter should the company make to meet these requirements? Option A. Increase the temperature value. Option B. Increase the temperature value. Option C. Decrease the length of output tokens. Option D. Increase the maximum generation length. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a company wants to develop an educational game where users answers questions such as the following: a jar contains 6 red, 4 green and 3 yellow marbles. Which is the probability of choosing a green marble from the jar? Which solution meets these requirements with the least operational overhead? Option A. Use supervised learning to create a regression model that will predict probability. Option B. Use reinforcement learning to train a model to return the probability. Option C. Use code that will calculate probability by using simple rules and computations. Option D. Use unsupervised learning to create a model that will estimate probability density. Correct answer is option C. Question is a company is building an ML model. The company collected new data and analyzed the data by creating a correlation matrix, calculating statistics, and visualizing the data. Which stage of the ML pipeline is the company currently in? Option A. Data pre-processing. Option B. Feature engineering. Option C. Exploratory data analysis. Option D. Hyperparameter tuning. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a company is building a chatbot to improve user experience. The company is using a large language model LLM from Amazon Bedrock for intent detection. The company wants to use few-shot learning to improve intent detection accuracy. Which additional data does the company need to meet these requirements? Option A. Pairs of chatbot responses and correct user intents. Option B. Pairs of user messages and correct chatbot responses. Option C. Pairs of user messages and correct user intents. Option D. Pairs of user intents and correct chatbot responses. Correct answer is option C. Question is a company is using few-shot prompting on a base model that is hosted on Amazon Bedrock. The model currently uses 10 examples in the prompt. The model is invoked once daily and is performing well. The company wants to lower the monthly cost. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A. Customize the model by using fine-tuning. Option B. Decrease the number of tokens in the prompt. Option C. Increase the number of tokens in the prompt. Option D. Use provisioned throughput. Correct answer is option B. Question is a company has built an image classification model to predict plant disease from photos of plant leaves. The company wants to evaluate how many images the model classified correctly. Which evaluation metrics should the company use to measure the model's performance? Option A. R-squared score. Option B. Accuracy. Option C. Root mean squared error RMSE. Option D. Learning rate. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is a company is training a foundation model FM. The company wants to increase the accuracy of the model up to a specific acceptance level. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A. Decrease the batch size. Option B. Increase the epochs. Option C. Decrease the epochs. Option D. Increase the temperature parameter. Correct answer is option B. Question is a law firm wants to build an AI application by using large language models LLMs. The application will read legal documents and extract key points from the documents. Which solution meets these requirements? Option A. Build an automatic named entity recognition system. Option B. Create a recommendation engine. Option C. Develop a summarization chat bot. Option D. Develop a multi-language translation system. Correct answer is option C. Question is a company wants to develop a large language model LLM application by using Amazon Bedrock, and customer data that is uploaded to Amazon S3. The company's security policy states that each team can access data for only the team's own customers. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A, create an Amazon Bedrock custom service role for each team that has access to only the team's customer data. Option B, create a custom service role that has Amazon S3 access. Ask teams to specify the customer name on each Amazon Bedrock request. Option C, redact personal data in Amazon S3. Update the S3 bucket policy to allow team access to customer data. Option D, create one Amazon Bedrock role that has full Amazon S3 access. Create IAM roles for each team that have access to only each team's customer folders. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, an AI practitioner has built a deep learning model to classify the types of materials in images. The AI practitioner now wants to measure the model performance. Which metric will help the AI practitioner evaluate the performance of the model? Option A, confusion matrix. Option B, correlation matrix. Option C, R2 score. Option D, mean squared error MSE. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a company is building an ML model to analyze archived data. The company must perform inference on large data sets that are multiple GBs in size. The company does not need to access the model predictions immediately. Which Amazon SageMaker inference option will meet these requirements? Option A, batch transform. Option B, real-time inference. Option C, serverless inference. Option D, asynchronous inference. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a company needs to choose a model from Amazon Bedrock to use internally. The company must identify a model that generates responses in a style that the company's employees prefer. What should the company do to meet these requirements? Option A, evaluate the models by using built-in prompt datasets. Option B, evaluate the models by using a human workforce and custom prompt datasets. Option C, use public model leaderboards to identify the model. Option D, use the model invocation latency runtime metrics in Amazon CloudWatch when trying models. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, a company uses Amazon SageMaker for its ML pipeline in a production environment. The company has large input data sizes up to 1 GB and processing times up to 1 hour. The company needs near real-time latency. Which SageMaker inference option meets these requirements? Option A, real-time inference. Option B, serverless inference. Option C, asynchronous inference. Option D, batch transform. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a company is building a contact center application and wants to gain insights from customer conversations. The company wants to analyze and extract key information from the audio of the customer calls. Which solution meets these requirements? Option A. Build a conversational chatbot by using Amazon Lex. Option B. Transcribe call recordings by using Amazon Transcribe. Option C. Extract information from call recordings by using Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor. Option D. Create classification labels by using Amazon Comprehend. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a company is using a pre-trained large language model LLM to build a chatbot for product recommendations. The company needs the LLM outputs to be sought and written in a specific language. Which solution will align the LLM response quality with the company's expectations? Option A. Adjust the prompt. Option B. Choose an LLM of a different size. Option C. Increase the temperature. Option D. Increase the top K value. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, an AI practitioner has a database of animal photos. The AI practitioner wants to automatically identify and categorize the animals in the photos without manual human effort. Which strategy meets these requirements? Option A. Object detection. Option B. Anomaly detection. Option C. Named entity recognition. Option D. Inpainment. In painting. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a medical company deployed a disease detection model on Amazon Bedrock. To comply with privacy policies, the company wants to prevent the model from including personal patient information in its responses. The company also wants to receive notification when policy violations occurs. Which solution meets these requirements? Option A. Use Amazon Messi to scan the model's output for sensitive data and set up alerts for potential violations. Option B. Configure AWS CloudTrail to monitor the model's responses and create alerts for any detected personal information. Option C. Use guardrails for Amazon Bedrock to filter content. Set up Amazon CloudWatch alarms for notification of policy violations. Option D. Implement Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor to detect data drift and receive alerts when model quality degrades. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a social media company wants to use a large language model LLM for content moderation. The company wants to evaluate the LLM outputs for bias and potential discrimination against specific groups or individuals. Which data source should the company use to evaluate the LLM outputs with the least administrative effort? Option A. User generated content. Option B. Moderation logs. Option C. Content moderation guidelines. Option D. Benchmark datasets. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, a company has terabytes of data in a database that the company can use for business analysis. The company wants to build an AI-based application that can build a SQL query from input text that employees provide. The employees have minimal experience with technology. Which solution meets these requirements? Option A. Generative Pre-trained Transformers GPT. Option B, residual neutral network. Option C, support vector machine. Option D, WaveNet. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which option is a benefit of ongoing pre-training when fine-tuning a foundation model FM? Option A helps decrease the model's complexity. Option B improves model performance over time. Option C decreases the training time requirement. Option D optimizes model inference time. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a company has built a solution by using generative AI. The solution uses large language models LLMs to translate training manuals from English into other languages. The company wants to evaluate the accuracy of the solution by examining the text generated for the manuals. Which model evaluation strategy meets these requirements? Option A, bilingual evaluation understudy BLEU. Option B, root mean squared error RMSE. Option C, recall oriented understudy for gisting evaluation rogue. Option D, F1 score. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a company wants to deploy a conversational chatbot to answer customer questions. The chatbot is based on a fine-tuned Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart model. The application must comply with multiple regulatory frameworks. Which capabilities can the company show compliance for? Select two options. Option A, auto-scaling inference endpoints. Option B, threat detection. Option C, data protection. Option D, cost optimization. Option E, loosely coupled microservices. Correct answer is option B and option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a company wants to make a chatbot to help customers. The chatbot will help solve technical problems without human intervention. The company chooses a foundation model FM for the chatbot. The chatbot needs to produce responses that adhere to the company tone. Which solution meets these requirements? Option A, set a low limit on the number of tokens the FM can produce. Option B, use batch inferencing to process detailed responses. Option C, experiment and refine the prompt until the FM produces the desired responses. Option D, define a higher number for the temperature parameter. Correct answer is option C. Question is, which AWS service or feature can help an AI development team quickly deploy and consume a foundation model FM within the team's VPC? Option A, Amazon Personalize. Option B, Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart. Option C, Party Rock and Amazon Bedrock Playground. Option D, Amazon SageMaker Endpoints. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a company has thousands of customer support interactions per day and wants to analyze these interactions to identify frequently asked questions and develop insights. Which AWS service can the company use to meet this requirement? Option A, Amazon Lex. Option B, Amazon Comprehend. Option C, Amazon Transcribe. Option D, Amazon Translate. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.